you got. If you haven't got love.
Hello lovely people of the internet, welcome back to my channel and to another video tips and tricks video. Today is another fun 1950s video. Again, using the glides from the GlamourDaze blog, I am going to be doing a 1950s morning routine. I thought that sounded so fun, and some of the tips in this book are really great and surprisingly modern, like things that are really trending on TikTok at the moment have been around forever, so that was interesting to see. So this is the guide that I'm using. I'll pop it up on the screen here, and the link for the guides is down below in the description as usual. But before we get started, today's video is in paid partnership with BetterHelp. Are you struggling with your mental health, be it depression or anxiety, or even just lack of motivation and feeling like you're overwhelmed by what life is throwing at you? You are not alone. Experiencing grief recently and the ongoing dramas with my visa have caused me a lot of stress and anxiety over the past few years. But I have found that therapy is a really good option when I'm just feeling like I have used all of the tools in my self-help kit. BetterHelp's mission is to make therapy more accessible, and I love that it is literally at my fingertips, available on an app on my phone. A really big hurdle for me is that I'm a globe trotter. So every time I start up with a new therapist and I'm making some progress, I change countries and then I have to start the entire referral process all over again. So when BetterHelp contacted me, I was honestly relieved to try a type of therapy that was more flexible than the traditional face-to-face therapy that I had previously tried. I can communicate with my therapist via phone call, by video chat, or even by messaging, making getting help with my mental health so much easier regardless of where I am in the world. Also, BetterHelp uses licensed professionals with different specialties and areas of expertise, so you can be confident opening up to someone who is qualified to help you. But if you don't find that you click with the first therapist that you're paired with, you can very easily change your therapist until you find the right fit. It's the start of my BetterHelp journey, but I was really impressed with how non-intimidating I found the sign-up process, because I know sometimes that first step, especially for me, can be the hardest step to take, but I'm honestly so glad that I've prioritized my mental health and my happiness. So if you would like to try out BetterHelp for yourself, you can go to BetterHelp, that is BetterHelp.com/MissB to get 10% off of your first month. Thank you, BetterHelp, for supporting this channel and my and possibly your mental health journey. Let's get back to the video. So the guide says, to be a well-groomed beauty, dainty and fresh, there are certain things that you must do, some daily, some weekly. Toward that end, make a beauty plan. Here are important suggestions. So there is a everyday routine or a morning routine, an evening routine, and a weekly routine, which I will split up into different videos. So today we're going to do the everyday routine. Step 1. Spend 20 or 30 minutes on exercises. The guide has a full set of exercises for the face, chin, and neck. These exercises may improve the modeling of your features, stimulate circulation, and strengthen muscles. These have been all over TikTok recently, like some revelation against the need to go and get Botox injections and filler. But this has been going on forever, guys. I even have a beauty book from my grandmother from the 1930s that has similar exercises in it, so there is nothing new happening here. Step 2, take a sudsy tub or shower. I mean, this one's kind of obvious. It does have instructions in the guide on how to wash yourself properly for best care of your skin, but I don't think I need to document this for you. Step 3, wield your toothbrush with a vim, brush gums. Step 4, brush your hair 100 strokes. I finally have a vintage brush, you guys, so I can properly brush my hair with the authentic thing, and I won't be in pain after like 30 brush strokes. Step 5, apply an antiperspirant and/or deodorant. Interestingly, the 1950s is when aerosol deodorants came out. I did wonder whether my modern deodorant would be out of place in this video, but it turns out not at all. Step 5A, it's not in here, but the guide does go through how to apply makeup very thoroughly based on your features, coloring, face shape, etc. So I have put my makeup on here based on what the guide recommended, but I will make a completely different video of how to do your makeup according to the 1950s guide, because I know you guys really loved the 1930s video that I did. I will do a follow-up. Step 6. Spend time occasionally throughout the day to check yourself from head to toe. Make sure you look your very best, always. So that is the 1950s morning routine, guys. What did you think? I thought it was very cute and simple. I like that there is self-care involved in the morning. So, I personally, as I said, like to do journaling and yoga and meditation. Obviously, I have my shower and brush my teeth and things in the morning as well. But I like that there's like the facial exercises and brushing your hair and just doing things that are nurturing to oneself. Yeah. I think that's quite a nice way to start the day. Do you already implement some of these things in your morning routine? I would love to hear down below, or did you get a suggestion or two that you might put in place henceforth? If you enjoyed the video, guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you as always for all your love and support, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!